Welcome to Rishvi Limited. First, go to your Linnworks application store. Search for HyperShip AI and install it. Go to your Linnworks account. Open macro configuration. Here, click on Add New Configuration. Select HyperShip AI. Add configuration name. Enter carrier rules, cost parameters, packaging logic, and required configuration details. Click on Save. Find the configuration you have created and enable it. Smart bin packing algorithm that combines multiple items into boxes when possible, reducing package count and shipping costs. Choose between consolidated packing, optimized, or one item per box legacy mode via API flag. Automatically splits large orders into multiple packages if they exceed carrier weight limits. Checks all 6 possible orientations of an item to see if it fits into a carrier's slot. Improved carrier selection algorithm that prioritizes feasibility over lowest cost over lowest package count. Run it as a command line tool or as a high-performance REST API. Here, it will choose the optimize and best suitable packaging and shipping for your order. You can see details and notes. Contact us at info@rishvi.co.uk or visit www.rishvi.co.uk.